Yo, what up, squad? So I've tested a lot of robot vacuums here on the channel, man, and most of them, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, they promise automation and deep clean. But this one right here claims to not only have 30,000 PA suction power, 100 air watts, real self-cleaning mopping, AI decision making, and 0 daily maintenance. And most importantly, they aim to provide long-lasting deep clean. And with that said, the question is, does the eufy Omni S2 actually earn the title long-lasting deep clean? Let's find out. All right, y'all, so first things first, you know we gotta talk about it because it is one of the things that speaks to me, y'all, and that is just the overall design of how well is it gonna look in my space, and I feel like eufy actually cared about that here. We've got here, man, a 3-layer texture finish with a titanium metallic base with warm brown undertones and a subtle pearlescent shimmer that changes depending on the light and how well it hits it. Now, when it comes to the base, this is 670 millimeters tall, so you're not having to worry about bending over anything like that, and it has a 15-degree angle display that lines up naturally with your eyes. And then on top of that, when it comes to the design, you add in this translucent top cover. I'm telling you, man, this thing looks more like a premium appliance than it does a robot vacuum, if you ask me. But to me, y'all, one of the main stars when it comes to this robot vacuum here has to be the Aero Turbo 2.0 long-lasting suction, where this system can deliver on a 30,000 PA suction power, which is the industry's leading trash pickup performance on the market today, with a long-lasting deep clean and health cleaning with powerful suction speeds, giving you just an overall nice, healthy, deep clean within your own personal home that's, again, long-lasting. And with this 30,000 PA suction pressure, which is excellent, but more and more vacuum robots aim for high pressure. So the real trump card of the eufy Omni S2 is the multi-cone cyclone technology. Now, I want to go ahead and explain exactly how this multi-cone cyclone technology works. Starting with step number 1 is the airflow is passing through multiple cones, creating a cyclone that generates centrifugal force. And then the second step is that dust and heavy particles are spun towards the outer wall of the dustbin. And then step number 3 is only the airflow is reaching the filter, allowing the high suction power to be maintained over time. And since now that we have this technology, it can directly bring 2 main benefits. Starting with the first benefit is that the tech provides large airflow with 30,000 PA, and it allows 100 air watt suction power. Now, air watt refers to the ability to be able to pick up debris and can reflect true cleaning performance. Generally, only handheld vacuum cleaners can achieve such a high air watt. But when it comes to the eufy Omni S2, this is the first and only robot vacuum and mop that has 100 air watts. Now, the second benefit is, thanks to this technology, is that the filter is not easily clogged by debris. So this means that the suction power is not easily attenuated and can remain constant. This is also the main reason why long-lasting deep clean can be achieved. According to the laboratory tests that they had, its long-lasting suction stays at strong performance for 365 days, which is around 15 times longer than competing products, which typically starts to decay after about 20 days. And also, due to the multi-cone cyclone technology, the filter, y'all, is less likely to clog after cleaning debris. So when it comes to the filter, it can remain clean for a long period of time. And with the S2 here, man, the cleaning power, y'all, it just shows 0 decay over time. It's legit like new after using this for long periods of use. And it's the only robot vacuum in the industry using this technology right now, because most robot vacuums primarily focus only on deep cleaning. But when it comes to the S2, y'all, it is designed for long-lasting deep cleaning, all right? It not only delivers, man, just that strong suction power as well as cleaning efficiency, but it also keeps the power over time, which I'm telling you is clutch. This one right here, y'all, is a one-time investment with long-term return. And when it comes to the carpet, because you know we got to talk about that too. Now, me personally, I primarily like to just have hardwood flooring within my homes, but for this video here, I did pick up a carpet to be able to show you this, all right? Now, when it comes to carpet, when it goes from hardwood floors like you guys are seeing right here to carpet, the S2 will automatically increase its suction power when moving from floor to carpet, which is really, really a dope feature. Now, another thing I want to go ahead and point out here, as you guys can see while it's picking up hair that is right here on the carpet, is the dual spiral rotating roller brushes, zero tangling. With this vacuum here, man, you do not have to worry about any hair like you guys are seeing, whether it's human hair or pet hair, ever getting tangled up within this, because during cleaning, the main brush remains closed with no missed spots. When it returns to the base station, the main brush opens to be able to release tangles, which is so fire. Plus, on top of that, we're getting carpet obstacle avoidance where the eufy Omni S2 can avoid tassel carpets by using AI where it can detect tassels and approaches from the non-tassel side, and 0.5 centimeters thin carpets as well. And then next, y'all, when it comes to this HydroJet 2.0 self-clean roller mop, which is something I really want to introduce to you guys here, but we got to break this down in 3 parts. Now, the first one here, man, is the clean in depth, which features 240 RPM with an industry-leading pressure output of 15 Ns that delivers downward pressure that ensures you guys are getting a high-quality clean every single time, on top of having that electrolyzed water sterilization. And the second thing, y'all, is the cleaning width, where the S2 has the longest mop in the industry, which the S2 uses a 29 centimeter extra long mop for covering those larger cleaning areas with extended edge cleaning like you guys are seeing right here. And then the third and last thing, I cannot leave this out, y'all, and that is the consistency and self-cleaning, where it's another industry leader with 32 water outlets for even distribution and real-time self-cleaning. In translation, y'all, it's always mopping with a clean mop every single time, where you don't have to worry about spreading dirty water around like traditional dual spin systems. So there you have it. And speaking of being an industry leader, because this word, I'm not like trying to extra throw this in there, but it really is an industry leader when it comes to making sure that the S2 is meeting those strict safety and performance requirements. It's also TUV certified for both cleaning as well as performance and sterilization. And this is a big deal, man, because this often involves rigorous factory inspections and market surveillance to ongoing compliance, making it a global recognition of symbol of trust. And the next thing we got to talk about, man, I kind of mentioned it, and that is being sterile. Let's kind of talk about that for a second, because the sterile water mopping, which is huge for families, pets, as well as overall hygiene, the S2 uses electrolyzed water upgrade that generates hypochlorous acid and ozone after electrolysis, enhancing sterilization and antibacterial capabilities. And again, certified by TUV, which, if you don't know, electrolyzed water has a sterilization rate of 99.99% with a 5-day 99.99% antibacterial duration, which, y'all, is super impressive. So basically what I'm saying is, when it comes to your floors, they ain't just clean, they're genuinely sanitized, all right? Now, we got to talk about it, and this is corners, corners, and corners. Usually this is where most robot vacuums fail. Well, with this one, not the case. The Omni S2 dynamically extends its mop and side brush up to 15 millimeters, cleaning with 5 millimeters of wall and edges, which maintains the same pressure as well as moisture. This means edges get the same deep cleaning as the center of your floors, and no touch-up is needed. Then, y'all, there's the 12-in-1 unit clean station that gives hands-free vibes, where it washes the mop with 60 degrees Celsius hot water that also detects dirty water automatically and re-washes when it's needed to achieve, again, that 99.99% sterilization. And on top of all of that, it dries and preps the mop for the next run with a fluffy roller. So you don't need to have to worry about going and cleaning the robot every single time. It legit cleans itself. Again, making it hands-free. Now, the next cool feature that we got to talk about of the eufy Omni S2 is the Clean Mind AI system, which, y'all, this is honestly the brain of the entire system. The Clean Mind AI uses the 8-core CPU, 6 TOPS computing power, and real scene 3D mapping to understand your home in layers like your furniture, as well as obstacles, and even your floor types and edges. It can also recognize over 200 plus object types like you guys seeing right here, avoiding cables, and just even can climb thresholds to 4.2 centimeters, which I don't have any like transitional thresholds in my home, so I can't necessarily show that feature. But think of it like this, right? You don't have to manage anything. You literally just let it do all of the thinking for you while you just go on and live your life. And last but not least, man, this is a feature when it comes to the S2 we have to talk about, and it's something that I don't think I've ever seen before, and that is the air fragrance system, where I wasn't really expecting this, but I actually ended up loving it. So there's a removable air fragrance module that releases scent while it's actually cleaning, with options like bamboo and sage, bergamot and lachey, or citrus and basil. So not only is your home getting clean, it also smells clean and premium at the same time, because we all know when you have that fragrance after you're done cleaning, it just gives you that extra sense of a space being clean as well as inviting. So I thought, in my personal opinion, this was a really dope feature to have, and I haven't seen any other competitors do it yet. So here's my honest thoughts, right? The eufy Omni S2 really isn't about doing one thing well. It's about doing everything consistently without having to babysit it. You're getting deep cleaning, you're getting long-lasting power, real self-cleaning, smart AI, and a premium experience, y'all, from start to freaking finish. So if you guys want a robot vacuum, man, that can actually do it all and replace your daily cleaning habits, this, in my opinion, y'all, is the one for you guys to get. So if you're interested, I will have a direct link for you guys down in the description section below for you guys to be able to check one out for yourself. And again, man, I have to send a huge shout out, man, to my eufy family, man, for sponsoring today's video. See y'all in the next one, man. Get clean in your home, hands free. See y'all in the next one, man. Squad, we out.